We're here with BLAINE captain of the Kingston College team. Unfortunately, Baller coming out on the losing end today. But let's speak about your individual performance. In my opinion, though conceding 4 goals, a good performance. Speak to us about how you played first and foremost.
Well, I took a while to get my feet in the beginning moments of the game, but once the game went on, I gradually played better and helped the team more offensively and in the transition.
Alright, speak to us about the game as a whole. You know, Kingston College unfortunately coming out on the losing end. Walk us through the game today.
Today was a game filled with mistakes and errors, like individually, but every team has a bad game and I feel this is our bad game.
Alright, so a big rivalry, right? Not street derby, although being played at the stadiums. Speak to us about the team's vibe going into the game today.
Well, the team vibes was great, you know, but I don't know, once the first goal, no, not the first goal, but after the third goal for Georges, like a few players began to lose their heads. But in the second half, went in the changing room, lively up, you know, give them a team talk, and we came out firing with 2 goals. But I feel mistakes cost us in the end.
Yeah, and I was just about to allude to that. You guys came out of the dressing room and were on St. George's next, you know, scoring 2 quick goals. Speak to us about the energy as soon as those 2 goals were scored. Speak to us about how you felt, how the team felt.
Well, the team morale and chemistry went up by a lot. So yeah.
Alright, after a tough loss, going forward, what can we expect from Kingston College?
Okay, we'll top the group and we continue on a strong haul to the Manning Cup.
And I know there are a few more matches before, but are you guys looking forward to the return leg, the away leg at Winchester Park?
Most definitely, it would be sweeter there.
It will be sweeter there.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much for talking to us. Good game.